It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! I am back! Oh my goodness, you guys. I got to Bath& Body Works again for the second day in a row. I needed more soap. This is actually yesterday's soap haul. I didn't get a lot of soap, but I did find one of the new fall candles. So we're going to talk about this new candle collection that's coming soon. And then in the next video, I'm going to talk about the customer appreciation app, because I'm hoping at some point tonight they actually give us a heads up about tomorrow. I think I have an idea of what's going to happen tomorrow. We're going to talk about that in the next video. And I'm also going to review cherry almond shortbread. This needs to be a body care. So we're going to talk more about that. So I got a third one today. I also got I got pumpkin cupcake. I want to get sweet cinnamon pumpkin online, but I'm waiting for customer appreciation day to see if maybe we get a better deal. I got pumpkin cupcake in the gel. I got to smell this really quick. Oh yeah, pumpkin cupcake is back. And then I also got, with my app rewards, I got another pumpkin pecan waffles. Actually, this wasn't an app reward. I had a coupon for a free product, and I got another shower gel, so I was excited. So, okay, got a couple things, but what I really want to show you guys are these new candles. We're going to go over this new collection. There are 8 of them in the collection, including the brand new Praline Delight. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I wrote these down, which ones were in the collection. So there is Praline Delight, which we're going to talk about. Some of these are repackages. Pumpkin Cupcake is going to be coming back. It's pink. Let's see. We have Pumpkin Snickerdoodle. That was the Snoopy collection, wasn't it? Those whimsical ones. Blueberry Maple Pancakes. I know a lot of people are asking, where is Blueberry Maple Pancakes? It is coming back. And then we have, I'm going to put a screenshot up because I saw this one, Autumn Chai. I think that's a repackage. I'm 99% sure we had Autumn Chai last year. Another new one, which is Apricot and Green Fig. I didn't see that one. I wanted to see that one. And then we have Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, of course, which is like standard. And then I'm going to put another screenshot up of the pumpkin apple right here. They're really pretty in person. I gotta say, I'm loving these designs. I think these are my favorites so far of all of the collections in terms of the design. They're kind of whimsical. It's just a graphic design that I like. So the lids are kind of plain now. The lids are just like gold. So here we have Praline Delight. Are you ready for the scent notes? This one is roasted pecans, brown sugar, and creamy caramel. So sounds a little bit like the Texas pecan pie one. There's been a lot of pecan ones out there. I can't tell what this is. I have to go downstairs. It smells familiar. It's got a really deep brown wax. It almost looks like hot cocoa and cream. By the way, why does Bath & Body Works not bring hot cocoa and cream out in the fall? They used to. They used to do it. We need hot cocoa and cream like now. I'm sure it'll be out for Christmas. This one smells really good. It smells a little bit deeper than the standard caramel pecan toasted ones they've done in the past. I gotta grab my pecan ones. But it does smell oddly familiar. What's interesting is there's no praline note in this one, but I do get kind of like a praline essence to it. I'm not sure. It does not smell very strong on cold. I gotta say, this is not one of the strongest candles I smelled. I was hoping it would be a little bit more of a delight. Praline Delight. I don't know. I thought maybe it'd be a little bit more, maybe bakery almost. I don't know. Not sure what I was expecting, but I don't not like it. I'm just not really sure what it is. So I did pick up this one. I smelled the pumpkin apple. Oh my gosh, it's always wonderful to smell pumpkin apple in the store. You're just like, yes, this smells so good. Yeah, I'm gonna get this whole collection. I really am curious about the fig one. I don't know if I'm gonna actually like apricot and green fig. I love apricot usually in anything, including body care. So that will be interesting. And then the other ones, like I said, are the repackages. I know a lot of people want blueberry maple pancakes back, pumpkin snickerdoodle. I think autumn chai is a repackage, and then pumpkin cupcakes always good. But I think a lot of people are going to want to get this entire collection. So I don't know when these are showing up. I'll try and find that out. You never know when they're going to show up online. But like I said, tomorrow is Customer Appreciation Day, so we will find out what's going on then. I will be back with another video. We're going to talk about cherry almond shortbread and this customer appreciation thing. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a few. Bye-bye.